Imagine transforming your outdoor space into a haven before the holidays. Now's the perfect time to make it happen. Whether you're dreaming of a new fence or deck, we've got you covered with an unbeatable offer. Get 10% off on select fence styles, and the best part? We can offer same-week installation on some fencing styles. Our team of experts will ensure your project is completed with precision and care, so you can enjoy your new outdoor space just in time for the upcoming holidays. Imagine hosting gatherings or simply unwinding in your beautifully upgraded backyard. A new fence or deck can be the perfect addition to your outdoor living experience. Don't miss out on this limited-time offer. Enhance your home's curb appeal and functionality with our top-notch installations. Contact us today to take advantage of our 10% discount and ensure your outdoor paradise is ready for the holidays. Let's make your vision a reality. Your dream backyard is just a call away. Call us now to learn more and book your consultation. Elevate your outdoor living with Hal Co Fence and Deck.